Good evening. Welcome you to another episode of the Golden Eye Learning, where you learn more, learn extra. This is Deepak Kumar, accounts trainer. So guys, let's just quickly go ahead with the today's video agenda. So in this video, we will cover one of the important question of investment account from mock test paper of the year 2020. It comes frequently in exams. It is a topic that is based on accounting standard 13, that is valuation of investment. Investment are the assets held by enterprises for earning income by way of interest, rental, dividend, for capital appreciation, or for the other benefit for the enterprises as per accounting standard 13. So guys, let's understand the question. On 1st April 2019, Mr. Shyam had 30,000 equity share in X Limited, the company, at a book value of rupees 4,50,000. Face value rupees 10 per share. On 22nd June 2019, he purchased another 5,000 shares of the same company for rupees 80,000. What is the difference between purchase and subscribe? In purchase, we buy share from the stock market, whereas in subscribe, we subscribe the share directly from the company. The directors of X Limited announced a bonus of equity share in the ratio of 1 share for 7 shares held on 10th of August 2019. Bonus share is free of cost, hence its amount will always be nil and will make no entry for the bonus share. Only the number of share increases. Suppose bonus ratio is 2:1. The first digit of the bonus ratio means that number of share offered, that is 2. The other digit of the bonus ratio means that number of share held, that is 1. Means you will get 2 bonus share for 1 share held. On 31st of August 2019, company made a right issue in the ratio of 3 shares for every 8 share held on payment of rupees 15 per share. Due date for the payment was 30th September 2019. Mr. Shyam subscribed to 2/3 of the right shares and sold the remaining of his entitlement to Ram for a consideration of rupees 2 per share. So what is right issue? Right issue is a way by which a listed company can raise additional capital. However, instead of going to the public, company gives its existing shareholder the right to subscribe to newly issued share at a lower value. Treatment of right share can be done in 3 ways. First is subscribe the right of right share. In that case, the entry will be investment account debit to bank account, being share purchase. And second, renounce the right of right share. In that case, the entry will be bank account debit to sale of right, being right sold. And in the third case, lapse the right of right share. In that case, there will be no treatment. If question is silent, assume subscribe right. On 31st of October 2019, Shyam received dividends from X Limited at the rate 20% for the year ended 31st March 2019. Dividend for the shares acquired by him on 22nd June 2019 to be adjusted against the cost of purchase. Final dividend means last year dividend received in current year. If we get dividend on opening balance of share, then it is treated as a post dividend, and post dividend will be transferred to profit and loss account. If we get dividend on purchase share, it is treated as a pre-dividend, and pre-dividend is treated as a recovery of cost for purchase share. Hence, it reduces cost of share. It is not treated as an income. If we get dividend on subscribed share and if we get dividend on bonus share, in both cases there will be no treatment. On 15 November 2019, Shyam sold 20,000 equity shares at a premium of rupees 5 per share. You are required to prepare investment account in the books of Mr. Shyam for the year ended 31st March 2020, assuming the shares are being valued at average cost. So before starting the answer, we will first discuss the format of investment account. So this is the format: particular, number, income, amount, and on the credit side, particular, number, income, amount. To balance BD, opening balance of share; to bank, purchased of share; to bank, subscribe of share; and to bonus share. And on the credit side, buy bank, sale of share. If we get loss on the sale of share, then it will be credited. If we get profit on sale of share, it will be debited. So buy loss on sale of share and to gain on sale of share. Buy bank, sale of right, it will come under income column, not under amount column. Buy bank, dividend pre. If we get dividend on the purchase share, it is treated as a pre-dividend and it will come under amount column. Buy bank, dividend, post dividend. If we get dividend on the opening balance of share, then it will come under income column. So it will not come under amount column. Buy balance CD. Balance CD will be the cost or fair value, whichever is lower. If instead of income column we prepare dividend column, then sale of right will directly transfer to the profit and loss account. ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, does this alternative. This is also correct. So now come to the answer. In the books of Mr. Sham, investment account: date, particular, number, income, amount, and on the credit side, date, particular, number, income, amount. On 1st April 2019, to balance BD, the opening balance of share 30,000, the cost of which is 4,50,000. And on 22nd June 2019, Mr. Sham purchased another 5,000 share, the cost of which is 80,000. So to bank 5,000 share, cost is 80,000. So now we are doing adjustment number 1, bonus share. The directors of X Limited announced a bonus of equity share in the ratio of 1 share for 7 share held on 10th of August 2019. So how many share we have on 10th of August 2019? We have 30,000 opening balance plus 5,000 purchase share. So total share we have on 10th of August 2019, that is 35,000. So if you have 7 share, then you will get 1 bonus share. If you have 35,000 share, then you will get how many bonus share? This is we are calculating here. So bonus share is equal to 30,000 opening balance plus 5,000 purchase share into 1 by 7 is equal to 5,000 share. So on 10th of August 2019, to bonus share 5,000. So cost of bonus share is nil. That's why amount column is nil. So next adjustment is right issue. So on 31st of August 2019, company made a right issue in the ratio of 3 share for every 8 share held on payment of rupees 15 per share. So how many share we have on 31st of August 2019? We have 30,000 opening balance plus 5,000 purchase share plus 5,000 bonus share. So total share we have on 31st of August 2019, that is 40,000. If you have 8 share, then you will get 3 right share. If you have 40,000 share, then you will get how many right share? This is we are calculating here. Right share is equal to 30,000 opening balance plus 5,000 purchase share plus 5,000 bonus share into 3 divide 8 is equal to 15,000 share. So Mr. Sham sold 1/3 of his entitlement to Mr. Ram. So out of total right share, Mr. Sham sold 1/3 of his right. So 15,000 into 1 by 3rd is equal to 5,000 share. So Mr. Sham sold 1/3 of his entitlement to Mr. Ram for a consideration of rupees 2 per share. So 5,000 into 2 per share is equal to 10,000. On 30th September 2019, buy bank sale of right share will come under income column, that is 5,000 share into rupees 2 per share as a consideration, so 10,000. And 30th September 2019, to bank right share 10,000 because out of 15,000 share, we have sold 5,000 share to Mr. Ram. So now we have left 10,000 right share, the cost of which is 15 per share. So 10,000 into 15 is equal to 1,50,000. So now we are doing adjustment number 3rd, dividend. So on 31st of October 2019, Shyam received dividend from X Limited at the rate 20% for the year ended 31st March 2019. So how many share we had last year? Last year we had 30,000 share. So we will get dividend on those share. So 30,000 share into face value rupees 10 per share into 20%. So we will get dividend of rupees 60,000. Dividend received is equal to 30,000 into face value rupees 10 per share into 20% dividend. So we get dividend of rupees 60,000 account. So on 31st of October 2019, by bank, dividend received on the opening balance transferred to the profit and loss account. It will come under income column. It will not come under amount column. Dividend on shares purchased on 22nd June 2019, 5,000 share into face value rupees 10 per share into 20% is equal to rupees 10,000 is adjusted to investment account. On 31st of October 2019, by bank, dividend on shares buy on 22nd June 2019, rupees 10,000. On 15 November 2019, Shyam sold 20,000 equity share at a premium of rupees 5 per share. Mr. Shyam sold 20,000 share at a premium of rupees 5 per share. So price per share will be face value rupees 10 per share plus 5 rupees premium is equal to 15. So 15 into 20,000 share. So we get sale proceed is equal to rupees 3 lakh. Now we are calculating average cost. Cost of 30,000 share is 4,50,000 plus cost of 5,000 share is 80,000 plus cost of 10,000 right share is 1,50,000 minus 10,000 dividend. Why we are deducting 10,000? Because it is mentioned in the question. Divide 50,000 share. How we get 50,000? 30,000 opening balance plus 5,000 purchase share plus 5,000 bonus share plus 10,000 right share. So in this way we get 50,000 share into 20,000 share. So we get average cost of rupees 2,68,000. So profit is equal to sale proceed rupees 3 lakh minus average cost rupees 2,68,000 is equal to 32,000. On 15 November 2019, to profit on sale of share rupees 32,000, and on 15 November 2019, by bank sale of 20,000 share rupees 3 lakh. So now we have left 30,000 share because out of total 50,000 share we have sold 20,000 share. So cost of 30,000 share will be 4,50,000 plus 80,000 plus 1,50,000 minus 10,000. Divide 50,000 share into 30,000 share is equal to rupees 4,02,000. So by balance CD will be 30,000. The cost of 30,000 share is 4,02,000. So total of income column will be transferred to profit and loss account. So now come to the conclusion. Investor considering such investment should rely on their own preferences regarding the acceptable risk as well as on the entities acting as the trustees of the investor assets. Mr. Shyam will get the profit of rupees 32,000 by selling 20,000 share. And if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.